Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m to the power of 4 equals to minus 4, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here you see that the exponent of m is 4. It means that this equation have 4 solutions or 4 roots, so that we find the 4 roots of this equation. So here first we move this minus 4 to the left hand side, and it will be written as m to the power of 4 plus 4 equals to 0. So now in the next step, we rewrite this equation as we write m to the power of 4 as m square and its whole square, plus we write this 4 as 2 square equals to 0. So here we need the one square identity. So you know about this square identity. If we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. And now if you focus on here, this is our a and its square, so it will becomes a square, and this is our b square. So in order to complete this formula, we need this term only, 2ab. So in order to complete its formula, we need to add and subtract this term. So here we just write adding and subtraction of 2 times of m square into 2 on left hand side. Okay, so in the left hand side we add and subtract 2 times of m square into 2, because our a is m square and our b is 2. So that we add this term in the left hand side, and it will be written as m square and its whole square plus 2 square and plus 2 times of m square into 2 minus 2 times of m square into 2. Okay, you see here this is positive and negative are gone, and we again get this term. So now you focus on the first three terms. These terms we have a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will be equals to the square of m square plus 2 and its whole square. So this will be the formula of this term, and we multiply these two terms and we get here minus 4 times of m square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step, here we rewrite this term as m square plus 2 whole square minus, we write this term as 2m and its whole square equals to 0. So here we use another square identity, and we know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here you see that m square plus 2 be the our eighth term and 2m be the our bth term. So we use this formula here and we get m square plus 2 minus our b is 2m into our a is m square plus 2 and plus b is 2m, and this whole equation equals to 0. So that here we have two cases. The first case is we will take m square minus 2m plus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square plus 2m plus 2 equals to 0. So we have these two cases, and now we solve these two quadratic equation and we find our 4 roots of this equation. So that here first we solve these quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to 2. And we know that about quadratic formula, it is written in this form: m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula which we use in both of these cases. So in the left hand side we have m equals to minus b, so our b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square, so our b is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2, and this whole divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. And here we need simplifications, and we rewrite this equation as minus times of minus becomes plus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square equals to 4, and 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So now from here we write our m equals to 2 plus minus, this is 4 minus 8 equals to minus 4 square root divided by 2, and here we get 2 plus minus, we know that the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and here we separate this fraction on both of these numbers in this way. So you see here this 2 and 2 are gone, this 2 and this 2 are also gone, and finally we get the first two roots of the given equation are 1 plus minus iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. So now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve the second case. So this is the our second case, and now we solve this case here. So here again we write the coefficients of this equation, and coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 2, and we substitute these three values in this quadratic formula, and we write it as m equals to minus b, so our b is minus 2, b is minus 2, and plus minus square root of b square, so b is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2 divided by 2 times of a, and over a is equals to 1. So this implies that m equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square equals to 4 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. So after that we have m equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4 divided by 2. And after that you see here we have m equals to, this is minus 2 plus minus, you see here the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of minus 1 is iota, and here again we separate these 2 on both of these terms and we write in this way. So this 2 and 2 are cancelled and we get m equals to minus 1 plus minus, this 2 and this 2 are also cancelled into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of this equation. So these are the two roots and these are the two roots, so these are the four roots of this equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.